Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. As you can see from the title, today I'll be showing you how it is I did a Afro Kinky twist crochet style on my mother's hair. And if it is something that you are interested in seeing, then definitely stick around for the video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ophelia, and I hope by the end of this video you'll also hit that subscribe button. So to kickstart, I'll be going ahead to do some cornrows in her hair in a pattern that will allow me to do the crochet. Now, I'm no professional cornrow person, no professional hairdresser, but I do think over time I've been improving on my cornrow skills. If it is you'd have watched previous videos, you'd have noticed this as well. And what I'll be doing here is just to lay some small cornrows to the front, and that's basically a little less than half of her hair in cornrow. And then for the back, I'll do some that are a little bit bigger, joining these small cornrows together. So that's what we're doing right now. I'll be just showing you the first three here so you can have an idea of the size and how long it is they would have been done from the front, and then I'll give you a view of what it looks like once it is that I have completed the cornrows fully for her entire head. So guys, so this is what the pattern looks like that I'll be using. I would have joined all the cornrows at the back to give her a finished look, and for the front I would have given her a center parting, joining those two cornrows together, which will make it easy in doing the pattern. So I'm using a 20-inch Afro Kinky that comes in M44, which is black and gray, and as you can see here, it's bulk hair, so it comes detangled. And all I'll be doing here is to go ahead to start from the edge of each cornrow, the start of each cornrow, to crochet in the hair, and then once it is crocheted in, I go ahead to do a normal twist. Previously in doing this style, I've also tried the option of doing rope twist, but in that case you'd have to do a fuller hair or fuller coverage in order for it to give you that fluffy look that you'd want it to have. In this case, we wanted the hair to be fluffy, so I did a normal twist for the pattern. Well, for the twisting pattern that would have been used. And then I'll just continue this going across at the front, and then I'll go ahead to just work on each pattern corner that I'd have there, spacing them and allowing them to fall in between each other so that there's not too much space isn't evident when it is I'm finished with the look. So for this hairstyle, I would have also used 2 packs of the realistic Afro Kinky bulk 20-inch hair, and as I said before, the color is M44, which is a mix of gray and black. The second pack that I used was a little bit more on the gray side than black side, but at the end of the video you will see how the blend really did come together for a realistic look.
the next day.
So guys, this is what the final installation is looking like for the Afro Kinky twist, and this for sure is definitely looking as though it is growing from the scalp. It's very realistic and matches nicely with what her natural hair normally looks like, which is a mixture of black and gray. So if it is you enjoyed this video, then definitely go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, and of course leave a comment down below to let us know what your thoughts are. If you're new to the channel, then definitely also go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and this is where I'll leave you for today. Of course, continue to be your most authentic self and continue to stay naturally. Until next time, walk good.